This amazing home is situated on a wooded and green grounds, offering its occupants a breathtaking view of the Vosges forest. This house is built using two 40-foot recycled shipping containers placed side by side and stitched together to create an open plan layout with one bedroom, one bathroom, and a total of 640 square feet of habitable space. At the entrance, the south-facing covered patio is fitted with a comfortable sofa for enjoying the sunshine and relaxing. The patio is accommodated inside the containers with the original container cargo doors opening wide to extend the space to the outdoors. From the patio living space, the main entrance opens into a unique accommodation that has an interior that is both contemporary and warm. From the entrance is a modern single-walled kitchen fitted with 3 induction burners and all essential kitchen appliances, plus a well-finished kitchen backsplash and custom storage cabinets. From the kitchen is a simple dining area that can seat 4. Next to the dining area is a lounge space fitted with modern furnishings, a large comfortable sofa bed with easy opening and custom coffee table. Above the living area is a furnished apartment that has an independent bedroom fitted with a comfortable double bed, a small closet, storage shelves for bedroom accessories, and a sizable window for natural lighting. The bathroom has been designed for the well-being of the people with reduced mobility. It provides all the appropriate comfort for people with disabilities. The grooves of the raw container walls are visible on selected areas in the interior, giving the space an industrial aesthetic. From outside, there is no hint this is a container house. It's covered with profile steel cladding for weather tightness. The container doors are visible on the exterior, celebrating the industrial charm of the design. There is also plenty of relaxing spaces, allowing the users to relax outside and soak up the sun's rays with unlimited views of the neighborhood. This amazing container house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.